Alright, so first things first, we are going to put the power supply in here. So, just like that, and I'm just going to use the screws that I used on my other computer. Just use the same screws. So throughout this assembly, I'm just going to speed it up and then maybe just randomly pop in, say a couple things, I guess. Alright guys, so we finally got it done. A lot of it wasn't recorded. I didn't record all of it only because it just takes too much time to go through everything, and I had a hard time trying to figure out these pinouts. You know, Dell likes to use proprietary connectors and stuff. I kind of had to Google around to figure out which pins to put the connectors from the case onto the motherboard, but I figured it out. I got the LEDs working, got the hard drive activity lights working, and I showed you guys how I fit the Cool Master on here. It was a little bit of a pain because, I mean, I already explained it before. And I got the power supply in there. The wires are kind of all over the place, but I honestly really don't care. There's plenty of airflow. You got the fan from the graphics card, you got the fan from the CPU, you got the fan from the power supply, and you got the fan in the front. There's plenty of cooling going on. I got my hard drives hooked up in there. I got 3 terabyte, and I got 2 300 gigabytes, but they're 10K RPM that I use for my cache when I'm doing my video editing. You want to have your cache on a separate disk, and it has to be a fast one too. So I got 2 10,000 RPM 300 gigabytes, 3 terabyte, and then I got the 500 solid state and the 1060 GTX in there, the i7 with the Cool Master on top, the 16 gigabytes of Ballistics RAM by Crucial, and I think we're all ready, set, go.